In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change address in Taobao. We'll walk through the process on a desktop browser so you can update your delivery details with confidence and avoid delays at checkout. Start by opening your browser and heading to taobao.com or world.taobao.com, depending on your region. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on the home page, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over your profile icon labeled Tu Xiang. A drop-down will appear. Click My Taobao, which you'll see as Wo De Taobao. Inside My Taobao, locate and click Account Settings or Zhanghu Sheizhi. This opens the settings dashboard where all your personal and order-related preferences live. On this page, look for Shipping Address, shown as Shouhuo Dizhi, or sometimes Address Management Dizhi Guanli. Click that to open a page listing all the addresses currently saved to your account. You'll now see your saved addresses laid out in a list. Find the one you want to change and look to the right side of that entry for the Edit button beyond G. Click Edit to open the address form. Here's where you make your updates. Check that the name field, Shouhuo Ren Xingming, matches the recipient who will sign for the package. Confirm the phone number, Shouji Haoma, is active and reachable by the courier. Choose the correct country or region, Guojia, DQ, and then select the province, city, and district, Sheng, Shu, Q, from the dropdowns. In the detailed address box, Xiangxi Dizi, include building, unit, floor, and any helpful landmarks to guide delivery. Finally, verify the postal code, Yuzheng Bianma. Accuracy matters here. Couriers rely on these details for routing, so double check for typos. Make sure the region selection matches the detailed address, and avoid unusual symbols. If you're receiving parcels in mainland China, using Chinese characters can improve delivery success. If this is the address you'll use most often, enable Set as Default Address, Shiwei Mo Ren Dizhi. That way, it's automatically selected at checkout, saving time and reducing the chance of sending an order to an old location. Remember, only one address can be set as default at a time. When everything looks correct, click Save Baotun. You should see the updated entry reflected in your list. Take a quick glance to confirm the right address appears, and if you chose it, that it's marked as the default. Before placing your next order, it's a good habit to verify the address shown at checkout matches your changes. That's it. Your Taobao shipping address is now updated. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!